Hey guys, this is Matt for Creative. Today we're here with a case from Supcase. This is the new one that works on the 6.1-inch iPhone. That means it works on the regular and it works on the Pro. Thank you for Supcase for sending this to me. And what I'm going to be doing is tossing this thing around and seeing how long it actually protects the thing inside here. So we'll see how it goes, and then hopefully we drop this a few times. Usually there's a lot of buildup. I don't care. I'm just going to toss this, and by the way, just so you can see it, this is the phone, nice squared off sides. But let's see how this goes. First, Lakers won the championship, so I put a purple case on this one, and it should be nice. All right, so we're gonna do the first one here. Let's see, this is kind of as if I was just holding it and dropping it. Well, already, look at that. Holy shit. Can you see it? Alright, as you already know, this is not the actual iPhone. This is a dummy model that Supcase sent to me, but we're gonna see, and already, I mean, if it can't really handle face down just from this height, that's not very good. Now remember, I wasn't paid for this. They sent me these. I think it's concerning, especially I just dropped it like this. But we're going to continue and go on. So let's try and see if we can capture the back. Yeah, that's okay, that's a pretty bad dummy model, and this is a pretty bad case. So even dropping this on its back, this thing just completely shattered. Just, you can even see. Now look what's inside here. Plastic. Metal for weight. This is pretty sad on the part of Supcase. Now, oh, look, even the back. Even that back has this kind of crack here already. So far, the lenses, which are probably made of plastic, are fine. But this thing did not last a second. Now, the cases that I usually use, Casetify. I have it here on the 11 Pro Max. This thing does a great job. It creates bounce. It really does its thing. I would really go for it. And of course, I got the catch-up one here, so I'm happy. But just seeing it, how easily, whether this being a dummy model or not, just completely cracked. This is no good. I mean, literally on the face and then the back. Oh my god, it's hot out here, by the way. I mean, for a fall day on the 22nd of October, I just biked here. So look at this. It just failed completely failed. Let's see if we can try and break this some more. Dropping this on its side. I mean, there's a scuff. It's not like it can be broken anymore, honestly. All right, let's see. So that's pretty much it. I could drop this from a lot higher up. I could play around the case more, but honestly, just to see the way that it did not distribute the impact enough, oh, this is a little bit concerning here. Alright guys, just to let you know, this is by Supcase. If you didn't know, I made a video that was very popular on the Supcase case for the Apple Watch. That did great. Protection great. It worked, and I used that for years. I still don't have the one for the new size of watch. It's been a few years since that came out too. But that one did well. This one is not like an extremely heavy duty case, so maybe let's just consider that. But at the very least, it shouldn't just be shattering on the very first drop from, where was it? Waist height. No, that's no good. Let's play around with this more. Oh, really? Again, this thing just can't get any more broken. I wanted to like, oh, look, even the back. No, it can't. That's my mistake. Now the thing is, there's a cover back here, so that's most likely holding in that glass. Of course, that's why the front just shattered and broke everywhere. But if I took this off, I'd probably get cut with plastic. What is this? This is glass. Yeah, that's kind of sharp. I shouldn't be playing around with this. All right, guys, this is... This is a little bit disappointing. I'm gonna keep the case, but honestly, just disappointing. Yep, and there it went. Goodbye. I mean, it's a case. It's purple. It's good for the Lakers. But in terms of usability, this thing just completely fell flat in its face, just like the phone did. It feels light. There's like literally no impact distribution. It is literally just plastic, and I mean plastic on the side and then plastic on the back. Disappointing, honestly. Come on, guys, even for a thin case, you gotta do a little bit better. All right, guys, this has been Matt for Creative. If you have any questions, put that in the comments section below. Don't forget, I'm on Instagram at m8b9. You can email me at matt8b9@gmail.com. I think I'm leaning on glass. Nope, I'm good. Don't forget to like, applaud, and subscribe. That really helps out the channel. Thank you so much for watching. I'm going to continue with this bike ride and get more sweaty here on this summer day in October in New York. Thanks for watching, guys. I will see you next time.